Here we have the 2022. This is the NX 350 F Sport Series 3 in cadmium orange with the F Sport white interior. So you're going to get the black alloy rims. You got the signal lights on the mirror. They're black mirror because it's a Sport. It's got the full black roof with the black roof rails there too. Triple LED headlights with the Lexus swoosh. Front sensors, headlight washers, fog lights, turning lights at the bottom there too. You get the front camera. It's got Lexus Safety Sense 3.0, which you can look up online there. But now it's got the electronic latch. So it has a button behind here. You'll see the door handles actually don't pull away from the car. It just has a button. Same thing on the inside. You just push this, releases to open the door. It has the thematic ambient lighting. Currently we have it set to red. You get the Mark Levinson audio system, the F Sport white door panel trim. It's got the really nice white leather interior with the F Sport embossed seats. Nice large glove box. "14-inch display. It's got the nice big sunroof up at the top there too. The dual pane one. In the back, you get the same kind of two-toned interior, cup holders. You get the power charging outlet down below here, the two USB ports and the other one. Now in the back, you get that full LED light bar that just goes across the back with the new signature Lexus stamp on the back. Really fast tailgate to open and close. You get the folding seats that just flip forward like that. Underneath it, since it has the run flat tires, you do get the storage space under there. Comes with the tonneau cover here that goes across the back. F Sport 3 has the power folding seats too, which also are fairly quick to come up and down. Has the kick sensor on the tailgate. Blind spot monitoring in your side view mirrors or side mirrors. You get memory seats for 3. Full power seats on both sides with height control. Driver's side has the lumbar support. Aluminum pedals, powerful tilt and telescopic steering wheel, automatic headlights, high beams, rain sensing wipers. Nice big 14-inch display screen, and you'll have your temperature controls built into these, which is really, really nice. Big display through here. You get your heads-up display on the windshield with the touch pads that control it, just on the steering wheel. You get Eco, Normal, and Sport Plus mode. It's got the full navigation system in here too. It has the Hey Lexus, Show Me Lexus South Point, if you wanted to put your navigation.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding you.
Now it has, yeah, you can enter nav, you can have your whole setup there. Qi wireless charging pad, you get USB C and B, I believe they call it. Storage underneath here. You can see that thematic lighting, which is really, really nice there as well. And then you get your rear digital display camera that flips up there, garage door openers underneath. You get your, now these are for setting favorite modes up in the windshield. You can kind of see it here, and it flips. And then the F Sport steering wheel, lots of storage here, flips both ways in the center console. Lots of cup holders, electronic parking brake and everything too. So if you have any questions, it's Mike Linterman here at Lexus South Point. Come down and see us, or you can reach us at lexussouthpoint.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.